everyone! Today we're going to be talking about how to write a sentence correctly using the right punctuation. Punctuation is the ending mark of a sentence. To write a correct sentence, you must have 4 things. You must have a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence, a complete or a whole idea, spaces between your words, and the correct punctuation at the end. Punctuation is the ending mark of a sentence. There are 3 different types of punctuation that you can use at the end of a sentence. You can use a period, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. A period. You can use a period when the sentence is a statement and tells you something. Look at that example below. It says, "The cat will take a nap." Does that tell me something? Does that tell me a whole idea? It does. So that means it's a complete sentence and I need a period at the end of that sentence. A question mark. You can use a question mark when the sentence is asking you a question. So look at that below sentence. What color do you like? That's asking you a question. It's asking you, what color do you like? This type of sentence is expecting an answer from you. It's expecting you to say, what is your favorite color? So you would need a question mark at the end of that sentence. The next type of punctuation is an exclamation mark. You can use an exclamation mark when the sentence has a lot of feeling. So like when you're happy, mad, or sad. It's showing how you're feeling. So look at that example sentence. I love Halloween. You need an exclamation mark at the end of that sentence because you are so excited about Halloween. You love Halloween. Look at this sentence. I'm going to need your help to decide what type of punctuation or ending mark that I need to use at the end of this sentence. So whoever's there with you at your house, you can tell them what type of punctuation mark you need at the end of this sentence. The rat is black. The rat is black. Think to yourself, what type of punctuation mark do I need at the end of this sentence? A period, a question mark, or an exclamation mark? If you said period, you would be right. The rat is black. Do you see the period at the end of the sentence after black? You need to use a period here because this is telling you that the rat is black. It's telling you a statement. Look at this sentence. Do you have a pet? Do you think this sentence needs a period, a question mark, or an exclamation mark? If you think it needs a question mark, you would be correct. Do you have a pet? Do you see the question mark at the end of this sentence? You need a question mark here because it's asking you a question. It's asking you, do you have a pet? Look at this sentence. I am so happy. I am so happy. Do you think you need a period, a question mark, or an exclamation mark? If you think exclamation mark, you would be correct. You need an exclamation mark here because it's showing how you're feeling. It's showing that you are so happy. So you need an exclamation mark. Look at the exclamation mark after happy. That's what an exclamation mark looks like. Will you run in the game? Will you run in the game? What type of ending mark do you think you need to have at the end of this sentence? If you think it needs a question mark, you would be right. Will you run in the game? This type of sentence is asking me a question. It's asking me if I will run in the game. So it deserves an answer. So that means I need to have a question mark at the end. Oh no, my cat ran away. What type of ending mark should you have at the end of this sentence? If you think you need to have an exclamation mark, you would be right, because this type of sentence is showing a lot of feeling. It's showing that you're scared and upset that your cat ran away. There's the exclamation mark at the end of that sentence. Oh no, my cat ran away. Look at this sentence. I will go to school. What type of ending mark should be at the end of that sentence? If you think period, you would be correct. I will go to school. This is telling me something. It's telling me that I'm going to go to school. It's a statement sentence, so I need to make sure I have my period at the end of that sentence.